The difference in the way Ben eats, which is globs, and the way Samwise eats. Now, don't get it twisted. This one right here, Samwise. Yuck, Ben. This one, the infant, is weird. This one, the old man, super particular. He likes to be fed like a human. I'm telling you right now, there was like 70 fucking walnuts. Watch this thing. Ben. Now we will. Fucking gone. Sam prefers that I feed him like that. Does Benny want a bite? Catch. He missed. Bender, want a bite? Bite. Catch. Good boy. Sammy, want a bite? Catch. Yeah, he is just, he's an old dog. But he's a fucking badass. You don't want to play with him. This one right here, soon to be a badass. He's a total dork right now. Those are Sam's. Ugh. I'm gonna get bit. Easy. Easy. Good boy. Good job. Good job. Yes, my dogs like walnuts. Anything I put in my mouth, they're the fuck okay with. So I don't let them around me whenever I'm having sex. So all the guys don't get their dicks bit off.